Hi guys, welcome back to Sholz channel, and today we're going to be cooking moi-moi, a bean pudding origin from Nigeria. And I have my mom, who I feel is the best cook that I know, here with us, and she's going to teach us how she does this, and we're just going to learn from her. So hi mommy, welcome to the channel. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, so can you tell us what we're going to be using today to make our moi-moi bean pudding?
Yes, we are going to use black-eyed beans for today, but you can use brown beans if you have at home. And apart from that, what you do to the beans is to wash off the skin, so the black eye will be off. We'll show you the washed one later after we have washed. So we have ingredients like bell pepper, which we call tatashe in Nigeria. You have onions. The moi-moi needs a lot of onions.
Oh, yes.
Then you can put some pepper if you want. It's optional. If you don't want it hot, so you don't have to put it.
Okay.
Then we have some other ingredients like seasonings like curry, thyme, adobo, then salt. You have Maggi and no. Also need vegetable oil, so we have some of it. So the beans, when you have washed it, you will need to blend it into a paste together with the pepper and the onions. And when you put everything together, you have to put them in either in some bowls meant for moi-moi, or you can use foil. You fold it into foam. Here we have shelled prawns. We also have boiled eggs that we are going to cut into it. We have also the fresh eggs. We just mix and put into the paste. It helps for binding of the paste together. So apart from that, we also have a canned mackerel that we can add into it. If you don't have canned, you can use the fresh one.
That's even better. Yeah.
Yes, the fresh one is better. So the first thing we want to do is to wash the beans.
Okay.
And then we are going to fold the foil to form that we are going to use for the paste.
Alright, so let's get going. So go ahead and pour about 1 pound of beans in a big bowl. Add some warm water to it, and we're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes while we get our 4-pack ready. So go ahead and tear out a rectangular size of your foil, fold in half, and then fold the edges as tightly as you can. Make sure it's totally sealed when you do this. My mom likes to do kind of like a V shape, narrow at the bottom and wide on top. She says it's easier to put in your moi-moi paste when you do it this way. So this is how I do it now, because she's taught me how to do it. So just make sure it's tight, and we'll do about 12 to 15 individual packs. Now it's time to wash our beans. Make sure you do a tester. Just rub your hand against one bean and see if it peels out quickly, then it's ready. Put some beans in your blender and put a lot of water in it, and just pulse. The pulse is going to help the skin peel up from the beans. Drain it, and you can see that the skin is coming right off. You're just going to repeat this process over and over again. If you guys like what you're seeing so far, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So you just repeat that, and now our beans is looking good. This is our final product. Most of all the skin is gone, and we're ready to blend.
I'll put some of the onions and pepper first into the blender. I want to blend the pepper a bit before I add the beans. Now I can add some of the washed beans into it.
So mom wants to check, make sure it's smooth, how smooth she wants it. getting there.
It's getting there. We're going to do it a bit more.
More.
It is now smooth enough. We are going to pour it into the bowl.
And do it all over again.
Do it all over again
until we're done.
The blending has stopped or has ended, and so we are pouring the last batch. So this is what it looks like after blending. We now start adding our ingredients into it. The first thing to add is the oil. So for this quantity, I want to add ½ cup of oil.
We're using canola oil. So we're going to prepare our seasoning now. So what do we put in our seasoning, Mom?
So I have 3 Maggi cubes, 3 Knorr cubes. So I'm putting in the Knorr and the Maggi cubes now into the water. I want to make
about ½ cup of water or so.
Or ½ cup of water. It's boiling over, so I'm going to melt the Maggi and the Knorr. You have to melt it before you pour so that you are sure it's well melted. If not, you may have Maggi on one side more than the other. 1 teaspoon of curry, 1 teaspoon of adobo, 1 teaspoon of thyme. This way, so we make a mixture of it. It's like making our stock. This is the ½ teaspoon of salt. I also added in. So I'll now pour the stock into the blended beans and now mix together. So now it is time to add some of our condiments. The first one I want to add is the canned mackerel.
And then we're going to add our raw eggs.
So we are now ready to start cooking. We have water boiling already in the steam pot. But if you don't have a steam pot, you can use the ordinary pot. You just put some water into it, allow it to be boiling before you start putting in the moi-moi into the pot. So I have my folded foil. So and I have I'll add 2½ spoons of the paste into the folded foil. Then I'll add egg and the prawns. So I will now fold, that is, cover up the top so that the mixture will not pour away. So I can do it 2 times to be sure that it will not pour while cooking. And when you are pouring, make sure it's not too full, because as the moi-moi is cooking, it expands. So there should be room for expansion. So with that, you can now put it in the pot. Before every filling of the foil, make sure you turn the mixture. Sometimes you have some water settling on the bottom. So to nice you have the right consistency in the foil. the last one. Ready for cooking. Cover it.
So after about 30 minutes, looks like it's ready. I'm just gonna turn off the heat and let that cool down before we try. Before we eat it up. It's ready. This tastes good. Tastes good, Mama. Yum, yum, yum. See the shrimp? Put in. And that's our recipe today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time that I post a new video. Thanks to my mom for doing this wonderful recipe with me. And until next time, bye!